Welcome to S&C Custom Designs, where we want to showcase a tool that is going to help you to accurately and quickly mount these wheels, for example. The Rockler Woodworking and Hardware. It has a few very effective tools in it. This unit is going to allow you to basically make your countersink very easy. Now, if you took your drill bit and you went ahead and countersunk, you might hit the metal, and that's going to go ahead and dull your drill bit. This unit here is going to basically sit inside the circle, the metal circle, and just press down and make your countersink, and then screw in your screws. It's that easy. We're going to go ahead and demo that for you. Hopefully we can do that. As you can see, that was basically done with very little effort. The tool is designed to essentially sit inside the metal and let you do the job without thinking too much about it. Other things it has, these very strong countersinker heads, and you can see that here it's going to do the countersinking for you. This will drill a hole. This will not break. It's not going to break. This is what you can pick up in your Home Depot or Lowe's. These guys here, they're going to break every time. You're going to get maybe 2 or 3 uses out of them. You have to be so careful and do it just right. As you can see, it's encased. The whole unit is encased. So you really don't have to think about that. Thanks for watching S&C Custom Designs. Remember to get the proper tool for the job to get it done. Please like us on YouTube. Subscribe to us. We'd appreciate that. Thank you.